smart.
In this lesson we are going to cover the layout menu tab. So first we have to create a new document. So if you click the layout menu tab, the first option is pages. So if you inside pages option, we have a different option like add pages, insert page, move page, duplicate, separate, apply master to pages, page transitions. So if I click the add page, you can see that now we have a two pages in same document. Before that we have only one page. So similarly, if I want to insert more pages, so for example I want to add two more pages after the one page. So now you can see that now we have 1 2 3 4 pages in same document. Now I am just creating the object. So now what we can do, if you can see that in pages we have an option of move pages. So I am moving my first page to the end of the document. So you can see that, so it can easily move to the end of the document. So now I want it back at the start of the document. So I just click on the move page option, move page for as start of document. So you can see that. So it's a simple how move page option work. So if you want to add delete page or add duplicate subpart, you can see that the subpart is duplicated. If I click the same option, you can see that it continuously follow the sequence. So if I wanted to apply different transitions on pages, then we have to select the page transitions options. So we have a different type of page transition: blind, box, comb, cover, dissolve, fade options, push options, split options. So we have different transition options. If I wanted to delete pages, so I have to select from which page to which page. So I am selecting from 2 page to 7 pages. So now we have only one page. So in layout we have a different options like a margins and columns, how many columns you wanted, or what is your margins. Unfortunately, the margin is automatically selected in Adobe InDesign. So at that time I want present to, you can see that the changing. So here it is the margin and columns option work. How many columns you require? 1 2 3 or 4. So layout panel is also a very important panel. It's dependent on all you, what is your need. So if you want to go to another page, so you have choose the go to page option. At that time we have only one page, so it's only showing one page. So you can also use the go to page option on the bottom from the left side. So yeah, it's a simple layout menu tab. Make your practice better and better. Thank you.